What's going on, guys? If you've got factory Trail Boss rims and you really like them, but you're curious what some Black Lugs or maybe some black Spike Lug Nuts would look like on them, well, you might want to check this one out. KSP Performance has sent me out some of their black Spike Lug Nuts, so I'm going to put them on the workbench and let's check them out and then get them installed. Here's the box they come in, so let's open that up and let's take a look at the lug nut up close. So it's got a gloss finish to it, looks pretty good. And then they also send out a deep well socket. It's a 1/2 inch drive, which is perfect because that's what my torque wrench is. So I'm gonna get these all unboxed and we'll see what they look like on the Trail Boss. Let's give you an up-close look at what they would look like on the truck. So the unfortunate thing is going to be that you would have to go back and paint where that silver is from the factory lug because it's a little bit wider. So here's your side-by-side comparison if you were to have the black lugs instead of the factory chrome lugs. So it does look pretty good, but like I said, that silver around there would definitely have to be painted because you can definitely see it from a distance. And here's a shot from the side. All right, let's get these back lugs off. All right, so they are both on now. So let's take a look at both of them together. So the chrome lug nuts are gone. It still sucks that you got to go paint the inside of that, but those factory lug nuts are just a little bit wider. I think these would look a lot better once you paint the inside of that, but honestly, you can't even really tell that they're spiked. You kind of got to look at them from the side and then you can definitely tell. So these do kind of blend in with that black wheel and really you can't tell. I want to give you a true idea of what this would look like. So I'm going to use my Sharpie and we're going to paint inside. So not the best example, but it gives you a little bit better idea of what it would look like if it was all painted. Another reason you might want these Spike Lug Nuts, it matches the bullet antenna. I personally don't mind the chrome lug nuts. I actually like a little bit of contrast, but I did want to give y'all an option if you did want to change the look of your factory wheels. So I appreciate y'all watching this. If you liked it, give it the thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so. Until next time, see y'all.